Hi team. For this week's video update, I'll be covering a few new features added based on user testing feedback. I'll be pointing out where the changes was implemented in the code and demonstrating the new functionality in the app. The core change this week addressed a key pain point identified in my Microsoft Forms feedback. Users needed a quicker way to add all ingredients from the discovered recipe to the grocery list. So I added a prominent Add All Ingredients to List button. It's found in the Results View file. I added a new helper function called Add All Ingredients to List. This function simply iterates through the mill.ingredients array and calls the existing list.manager add item for every single item. This prevents redundant code and reuses the core list management logic. This change was outside the original Plantry sprint goals because it came directly from real-time user testing feedback. My original plan was to complete the UI polish, but collecting the integrated tester feedback from the developer program and the Microsoft Forms became the highest priority. Implementing the bulk add feature was necessary to improve the core utility of the app before I proceed with further testing. Another change that I made was I switched my API. I was using Edamame for my API, but I switched over to Spoonacular because Spoonacular has a better call time rate. Edamame was only one call per minute, where Spoonacular is actually 2 calls per second. So it just makes more sense in my app. I didn't really have to change much in the code itself. But I did have to change a few things to make it work. Demonstration. If we hit generate mill idea, it will automatically show the mill. If you go back and let's hit lunch, generate mill idea automatically pulls up a mill idea without having a network error because there's too many calls per minute. Also with the inventory, let's say there's oatmeal, find. Here is a clean peanut butter granola parfait that has oatmeal. Also on here, the current recipe, here's the sample. Here's the new button that I added, add all ingredients to list. When I tap on it, we get an all ingredients added to list. We go to the grocery, and all of those are added. We confirm that all of the ingredients are added with great speeds so that the user can work on it. And once we buy it, just like before, it goes into our inventory. All right, that concludes the demonstration. Thank you. Until next week, keep coding.